Let me just say, this is not a quick thing. I mean, it takes years. So I'm definitely a patient person, so I'm gonna really enjoy this. But if you're not, this may not be something for you. They do have other kits that do germinate and grow faster, so you can check those out. So let me show you everything it comes with. It does come with your seeds, guaranteed germination. And this QR code that's on the front of this seed packet, not only does that provide you the instructions to do all this, but this is also a way to get a hold of them. So if it doesn't germinate, I'm sure they will send you more. All you're gonna do is put your seed in water for 24 hours. Then in a bowl, you're gonna add water to this little soil disc. Once it's fluffed and ready, you're gonna put that inside here. They even send little tools to go with it, your little rake, a couple little shovels here, finger and make a couple holes, and then add your seeds to your holes. And then what's really nice too is they do come with these little scissors that you'll be able to eventually one day trim your little tree. They have this little plant stake that you can put the name of your bonsai tree and the date that you started this and watch this grow. They do provide actual instructions, but like I said, you can also use the QR code to bring up instructions on how to grow this, where to place it for lighting, what you can expect in a couple weeks to when it's fully grown. So if this is something you're very intrigued about or learning about, I definitely recommend this. I love all of the different kits this particular company has. So get yourself one. I hope this video has helped.